order to compare two structures, we go to a web browser and open the Bilbao Crystallographic Server. In the structure utilities, we have the option Structure Relations. We have to choose a high symmetry structure description, a low symmetry structure description, and then some conditions for the comparison. We select the high symmetry structure contained in the Theoria 01 SIF and the low symmetry structure description in the Theoria 02 SIF. We keep conditions of calculation parameters, but we choose that one of the two structures is a non-standard setting. This is the case for the Theoria 02 low symmetry option. And then find compatible transformation matrices. So the ZIF file is translated into BCS representation of the high symmetry structure. There is no change here in the cell parameters or atomic positions because the two representations, this is in a standard setting. For the low symmetry representation, for the low symmetry structure, the representation is in a non-standard setting P21MA, so it will be converted to the standard setting, which is PCM21. After we check that the cell parameters are changed in order from 785 to 857, we accept this and use BCS data to proceed. After the server has done the calculations, it finds that the transformation matrix to represent the high symmetry structure description into the most similar description of the low symmetry in the standard setting is this matrix here, or in string mode BCA, and this is a vector that you need to translate the origin for both structures to overlap. The description of the high symmetry structure in the most similar configuration to the low symmetry structure is given here in the space group PCM21, and the coordinates of both structures that are matched and the difference in positions are given here, and then the global distortion of one structure respect to the other is calculated with the degree of lattice distortion calculated here, the maximum difference between atomic positions given here, and then the average distance between atoms is here, and the measure of similarity is given here. With this matrix, we can then go to VESTA and calculate and transform the two structures and compare them visually.